We ordered the Wilderness RV Montana mattress in, we got the pillow top version because the mattress that came with this camper, though it wasn't bad for weekends, it was definitely not going to cut it for full-time living because we're getting ready to be sleeping on this thing pretty much every night. So, as you can see, it came in this box and we're about to take it out, put it on our bed, and watch the magic as it expands. The Wilderness RV Montana is a hybrid mattress. It has memory foam but also coils, so you get the best of both worlds. We've had memory foam mattresses and they just tend to be either too hard, too soft, or too responsive to like the cold. They can be hard as a rock when it's cold. We had good luck with a hybrid mattress on our bed, so we decided to try this on our camper bed. It's a short queen. They have a ton of sizes and they'll even custom make them. And they give you a 100-night sleep guarantee. So if you sleep on it for 100 nights and you don't like it, they'll help you donate it and refund your money. So we're going to give it a try. Now we need to cut the plastic to let it expand, but you have to be very careful that you don't cut the mattress. Well, I can't.
So the audience can see.
I understand, but I can't. The cutter needs to see. You want to be careful because if you cut the outer layer first, but if you cut the inner layer, this thing is just gonna blow up like opening the emergency hatch on the plane and the old sled blowing up inside the plane. Nobody wants that.
Not ready for it to expand. Is it expanding?
Yep, I did. I cut the inner layer. Race against time is on! Come on, people! There is a lot of plastic to cut here, so it's hard to know which one is the one.
It sure is.
Can we, let me lift this up. You pull it out from here. I think we're okay. I think it's just expanding the right amount. So I'm going to lift this up and can you just straighten that thing out? Yep. I don't think it really matters which one is which. Well, it kind of does. One's the head, one's the foot. But the foot and the head don't matter. Right. Somebody must have measured wrong. Just kidding. A short queen is 60 inches wide. And I think it's 74 inches long. A regular queen is 80 inches long.
They were going to have to fix that maybe after.
Okay.
Underneath stuff.
Alright, ready? And then let's let the expanding begin. Should we be smart and start cutting it on that side?
Probably.
Here, I pick you.
And explain what the underneath stuff is for.
That is an underlayment that's supposed to help with moisture and airflow. I couldn't get the one I wanted because it was out of production, but this is the one that I was able to get, and it's been fine so far. We haven't had any problems with moisture. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. This is way more plush than the mattress we had, which I actually didn't think was a bad mattress, as camper mattresses go. We put a foam topper on it, and it was actually alright, but when we stayed here in cold weather, that's when I noticed it got really firm, too firm.
Whew, it is high.
Yeah, that's why I think this is listed as 10 inches, but I thought we had more like 12 to the top of the window, so it might be 12. But some of these can be 13 or 14 inches, and you can see that would be way too much. It would start to block our window. So we definitely, that was the main reason. Our other choice was a Brooklyn bedding RV mattress. I forget which model, and I really liked it, but they were going to come in 13 or 14 inches width for the plushness that we wanted, and it just wasn't going to work. Ooh, soft.
That's very comfortable.
I just don't have quite enough room to put it away. I guess that's the story of your life in a camper.
The company says it takes about 4 hours to expand, but you can still sleep on it. Tell you in the morning how well we slept and if it was worth the purchase. See you in the morning. How did you sleep?
Fine. The problem that we have is you're a side sleeper which puts a lot of pressure on your shoulders and your hips. And I'm a mixed sleeper. I end up all over the place. And I don't like too soft of a mattress, and so I was worried this was going to be too soft because we went with their softest model of the Wilderness RV Montana hybrid mattress. But I would say it is not too soft. What do you think?
I think it's about right. I probably could stand to have just a little bit softer. My hips didn't hurt at all, so that's good. My shoulder, but I'm getting older, so it could just be that because
You are getting older.
my shoulder's been hurting even with our regular mattress sometimes too. So I bought a special pillow. I don't know if that's helping, but it might be. So we slept 5 nights on it. I know I had told you one night, but we slept 5 nights, so we've got a pretty good amount of time on it, and I think I'm sleeping pretty good.
I don't sleep that great anyway, so time will tell.
Right.
The other problem is that if we were going to go any softer, we would have to get a thicker mattress, and we don't have room by the window over there. You can't see behind the pillows, but this is really the thickest mattress that we could have. The other thing that we agreed on is we didn't want to put toppers. We didn't want to spend money on a new mattress and then put a topper on top of it. So
Because you lose the cooling effect and all the stuff that comes along with buying a good mattress.
right. Overall, I think it was a good purchase. It was 35% off on a Memorial Day sale. I think they have sales quite frequently. So I think you can pretty much always pick one up on sale. So at this point, I would give it 1.5 thumbs up, and you give it 2. So that's a total of 3.5 thumbs. That's a lot of thumbs.
Yeah, I think it's the best we could do with the space we have.
Okay, time
All
will
right.
tell. And remember, they do have a 100-night sleep guarantee, so we can still sleep on this for 95 more nights, and
Quick math.
potentially, I know, right? And potentially still get our money back if we really hate it. But I don't think that'll happen.
I don't think that will happen either. I think we're good. It's also supposed to get a little softer
Yeah.
as you use it, right?
Break it in, right?
Okay, well, there you go. Continue watching our YouTube channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. We couldn't do it without the support of all of you out there. Thank you. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.